In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a category in Expensify. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly where to go and what to click so you can keep your expenses neatly organized and easy to report. First, make sure you're logged into Expensify and that you're in the correct account where your workspace lives. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the section that lists your workspaces. Go ahead and click on the workspace where you want to manage your categories. This is important because each workspace can have its own set of categories, and you want to be sure you're editing the right one, especially if you manage multiple teams or projects. Once you're inside the workspace, you'll see different configuration options. Look for the option labeled Categories and click on it. This is where Expensify lets you manage all the different labels you can assign to expenses, such as travel, meals, or office supplies. If your company already has some default categories, you'll see them listed here. On the Categories page, you have two main options. The first is to toggle existing categories on or off. If a category is already listed but currently disabled, you can simply switch it on. This is a great idea if your organization has a predefined chart of accounts and you just need to enable the ones that apply to your team. Toggling a category on will make it available for people to use when they submit expenses in this workspace. If you don't see the category you need, you can create a new one. Look for the button or link that says Add Category and click on it. This will open a simple form where you can define your new category. In the name field, type in the name you want to use. Choose something clear and specific, like client entertainment or training, so that anyone submitting expenses knows exactly when to use it. Keeping your naming consistent will make reporting and approvals much easier later. After you've typed the name, review it for accuracy, then click on Save. Expensify will add your new category to the list, and it should now appear alongside your other categories. Make sure it's toggled on so that it's available for you.